Hello wine lovers, welcome to the educational series. My name is Kees van Kasteren and I'm Master of Wine. Today we are going to touch on the topic of composting. Composting is something you do in winemaking to save money, to save resources, to improve the soil and to reduce the impact on the environment. But the person who really can tell you all about it is Diego Urra, the brand ambassador of L'Apostol. Enjoy.
My name is Diego Urra. I'm assistant winemaker at L'Apostol Winery and also work for marketing. And today I will talk a bit about what we do to fertilize our vineyards. Something key and very important is putting the energy back into the system. In farming, you're taking the energy out from the system. It is not as a native forest where energy cycles. So here the energy goes out from the system, we put it into the winery, we ferment everything. Part of that energy will go into the bottle to Holland and the other energy remains here. And it's very important that this process of composting runs always with oxygen. All the microbes we want, they have to be aerobic. The pathogens that we know, they live without oxygen, they are anaerobic, so it's very important that this composting process does not run out of oxygen. So we have to keep turning it very often, and we have to control temperature at a point where we kill pathogens, but we don't kill all microbes. So something very important in compost, of course, is all the nutrients that are part of it, all the minerals in its organic form, but it's also the microbes. Soils are full of nutrients, but most of these nutrients are in the inorganic form. But there are the microbes, those that are the bridge in between the inorganic minerals and the plants. So they are transforming the minerals into food for them. So that's why it's so important having a compost which is rich in microbes. So this compost is made mostly of all the remainings from the winery, from the vinification, the skins, the stems, and some manure from the animals we have here. So this compost is from this season, and with some of this compost we will feed worms. So with what we get from the worms, we will make tea. So we are feeding the vines with tea that we make with our own compost. We make compost tea. So we brew the compost for a day and we either irrigate with that tea, so we're putting these microbes into the soil, or we're spraying it against fungus attacks. So we're basically multiplying all the microbes we have here with this process of brewing and putting it back into the system.